Now is the time we've all been waiting for. Shiba Inu's price is going through the roof, and there's been a lot of news in the last 24 hours. The price of SHIB is now very important. This is something you need to see if you are interested in Shiba Inus or have SHIB coins. So, what's the latest news about Shiba Inu coins? How will this cause their value to change? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inus that will make them more valuable. Because I did a lot of study for this video, please watch it all the way through so you don't miss anything. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. Following this channel, liking this video, and leaving a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu are all you need to do to enter. Have fun. Before we talk about our subject, let's look at the map and see what Shiba's price is doing on October 26th. Let's do it. Shiba Inu costs about 799 units right now. In the last 24 hours, the price of SHIB has gone up 8.4%, and $365 million worth of it has been traded. The token is also the 19th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $4.7 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This is not financial advice. Also, click on the link in the description to check out our brand new Telegram account. The video for today is now ready. The Shiba Inu wins big. Robinhood partnership is made public. The American financial services giant Robinhood has carefully added the state of Nevada to its cryptocurrency offerings. This is a big step forward in the cryptocurrency space. The tool can now be used to buy, sell, and keep an eye on market data for 15 different digital assets in real time. The well-known cryptocurrencies Bitcoin and Ether are among these assets. So are the joke coins Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Where the Shiba Inu fits in Robinhood's stock, Shiba Inu has caught the attention of both investors and platforms. Even though it is a joke coin, Robinhood has said that it will add SHIB to its cryptocurrency services. This is not the first time that the company has dealt with Shiba Inus. In April of the year before, when Robinhood started to support SHIB, its price went up by an amazing 35%. This shows how important it is for major platforms to back digital assets. Robinhood is more than just a way for Shiba Inus to buy and sell things. It's also one of the biggest tokens. According to the most recent data, the site has about 35 trillion SHIB tokens, which is an investment worth more than $250 million at the moment. With this large holding, Robinhood is in a unique situation in the SHIB ecosystem, possibly changing how much the token is worth in the future. If you're still watching, please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything and really helps the channel out. But don't stop watching to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the coin's future might hold. An early adopter of Bitcoin tells buyers to buy Shiba Inus. Devinkai spoke out in favor of Shiba Inus earlier this year, and it's similar to what he did for Bitcoin, which he suggested as early as 2013. He told buyers at the time to get Bitcoin for as little as $1 because he thought it could change people's lives. So why Shiba Inu? Devinkai replied to a message from an investor who wanted advice on which digital currency to put his money into. His answer was summed up in 2 words, on SHIB. Besides pointing out that Shiba Inu owners usually get a lot of money back in the long run, Devinkai didn't say more about his main points. But this didn't take away from the Shiba Inu's obvious qualities that make it a great purchase, especially for small traders. The Shiba Inu is well built. As a result of the many new and possible innovations in its environment, Shiba Inu is also a great choice for both small and large investors. The most important of these is the release of Shibarium, which is a layer 2 scaling option. The way Shibarium is built lets decentralized apps run on it, which can make SHIB more useful and help its price rise over time. In August, Devinkai talked about the big things that were happening for SHIB during the Shibarium hype. The most powerful way to lower the number of SHIB tokens is through its deflationary feature. If this drop in prices matches higher demand, a lot of people still think that SHIB will reach the 10 cents price level. It's now time for the video's main story. There is a $50 million rush when Shiba Inu whales are seen because people are afraid they will miss out. Shiba Inu, the meme-inspired coin that has gotten a lot of attention, was the star of a week when the cryptocurrency market went through a huge surge. At the same time, there was a big rise in on-chain action for Shiba Inu, which included the amount of trade. The cryptocurrency wallet is designed to handle deals worth more than $50 million in SHIB during the same time period. The cryptocurrency community took notice of this rise in both volume and on-chain action. The value of SHIB's shares on the stock market had grown by almost $300 million between October 23 and October 24. It's worth $4.37 billion right now. There is a clear bullish trend, and buyers are afraid they will miss out on good opportunities. The rise in trading volume is good news for people who own SHIB, but the rise in action on the blockchain is even more interesting. During this time, there was a noticeable rise in whale activity linked to SHIB transactions. This was especially true for cases involving amounts greater than $500,000. Through the spot on-chain platform, these trades were carefully watched. Whales were seen moving a lot of Shiba Inu tokens, worth a total of $48.553 million in just one day. Over $6.40 trillion worth of SHIB tokens were used in 15 trades. There were big cryptocurrency platforms like Binance and Kucoin that took part in these deals. It also had some well-known companies in the field, like Wandarfull Trading, Robinhood, Bitcoin Turk, and a few names that were not made public. However, why do whales spend so much on Shiba Inus? Let us look. The SHIB bull market is coming. This week, keep an eye on these three things. This week, Shiba Inu became positive, and the price is now reaching all-time highs. These two numbers are important to think about. Key amounts of support, 770 pieces. Key amounts of resistance, 840 pieces. 1. Breakout and records highs. Prices for SHIB were able to break above 770, which is now a key support. If buyers keep coming in, there is a better chance that the price will move quickly to the next support level at 840. 2. Momentum for going up. There is still a lot of room for the price to go up before sellers come back, and the momentum signs are turning very bullish. Once the price hits the key barrier, keep an eye on it because a pullback could happen next. 3. The bullish cross was established. The MACD bullish cross on the 3-day period has been proven with this latest breakout. In the next few weeks, this could be the start of a long-term recovery. The number of people buying also went up, which puts bulls on the attack. Most people think that SHIB could break through the 840 unit limit. If this happens, SHIB's price could go up by 1, which would be very profitable. Many of our users tell us that they won't be selling SHIB for the next 5 years and will keep millions of them because they believe in the value of SHIB in the real world and in new developers. How many do you guys have? Don't forget to write down the SHIBs you own in the comments part below. Let's thank the person who holds the SHIB for having faith in the process. Like the video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Also, make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you know whenever we post a new movie. You should still look for other projects to buy right now, though, not just SHIB. There are 5 altcoins that have the potential to make people rich, and now is the best time to buy them. Click on the movie on the screen to learn about the 5 altcoins. This is something you shouldn't miss.